What is at the edge of the universe? Crazy question. Let's figure it out together. Every child asks it eventually. What happens if you fly far enough? We picture a wall, some final barrier at the end of everything, with a sign that reads, "Nothing beyond this point." There is no wall, but there is an edge. It just isn't the kind you can crash into. Imagine a rowboat on a black ocean at night, one lantern burning. You can see a small circle of water. Beyond it, the ocean continues. You simply have no light to reach it. That circle is called the observable universe. 46 billion light-years in every direction, and Earth sits precisely at the center of it. Not because we are special, because the lantern is ours. Fly 1,000 years toward that edge, and you would find only more galaxies, more starlight, and a new horizon, still exactly the same distance away. The edge is not a place. It is a limit on how long light has taken to reach us. Which brings us to this difficult question. If everything began with the Big Bang, where did it happen? The honest answer sounds like a riddle. It happened everywhere. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was an explosion of space, and every point you can see was part of it. Picture a loaf of raisin bread rising in an oven. The raisins are galaxies. As the dough expands, every raisin drifts away from every other raisin, and no raisin is the center. Now stretch that idea until it hurts. Space itself is growing. Not the galaxies moving through space, the distance between them, lengthening. Two ants walking toward each other on a rubber band being pulled apart. They are moving closer. The band is winning. Beyond a certain distance, space between us and a galaxy grows faster than light can cross it. Those galaxies are not moving faster than light. The road between us is simply getting longer than light can travel. That is why the horizon can never be reached. It retreats as fast as we chase it. So what shape is it, this thing we live inside? There are only 3 answers. It curves back on itself, like an arcade screen where flying off one edge returns you to the other. It curves outward forever. Or it is flat. Here is how you tell. Draw a triangle. On a flat surface, the angles sum to 180 degrees exactly. On a curved surface, they don't. They bulge past it. So astronomers drew the largest triangle in history, using light from the young universe as the sides. Billions of light years to an edge. The angles came to 180 degrees, flat to within a fraction of a percent, which may mean it is genuinely infinite. Or it may mean we are an ant standing on a frozen lake so vast that the curve is there, and simply too gentle for us to measure. We cannot yet tell those two apart, and the difference is everything. The edge is not a place. It is a limit on how long light has taken to reach us. Which brings us to this difficult question. There is one more edge, and that is the one that should trouble you. Not an edge in space, an edge in time. The expansion is accelerating. Every galaxy outside our local group is drifting toward that horizon, and one by one, they will cross it. Their light stretched until it fades to nothing. You could not outrun it. Not at the limit of any engine we could build. The space ahead of you would open faster than you could close it. In 100 billion years, an astronomer on this world would look up and see only our own galaxy, alone in a black sky, with no evidence a wider universe had ever existed. Even if you transport to where the eyes can see the furthest light, it does not mean you warp into the future. The entire universe ages at exactly the same time. The stars burn out. The last of them flicker away, and no new ones form. Even black holes evaporate, bleeding away as faint radiation over spans of time that make the present age of the universe a rounding error. And then, cold, even, quiet. No difference left anywhere to make anything happen. Physicists call it heat death. It began in a flash of light. It ends in the dark. Which makes this moment, stars still burning, and something still able to notice, extraordinarily brief and extraordinarily lucky.